making some bread. And I'm Wally! Okay, let's start. Mama, I want to do the flour. No. No, me do the flour.
We're going to take turns.
And I'm going to mix the flour. No, I'm mixing. I mix. Here's the last one. 2 and a quarter of spoons of meat. Mix with this. Hello. Hello. I want to see what it looks like. Ooh. What does it taste
Put it in the bowl. No. Put it in the bowl.
Next, we're gonna make Nickelwell. If you don't know what Nickelwell is, then I'll teach you right now. Okay, next we get a bowl full of something called water. You know what water is, huh? But it's hot. I'm gonna go first. This is gonna be
I'm going to do it.
Mix until the dough is formed. Flour on my nose. Mommy. Now we're gonna drizzle olive oil. Now we cover it for 2 hours. And then we'll finish. Finish by putting it in the oven. See you in 2 hours, I guess. Clean up. It's clean up. Washing. Now we're gonna make some. Hi again. We're finishing the bread now. Sorry it took so long. Now we're gonna have fun with the dough. Doughy-lo. First we're gonna knead it. Then we're gonna make a loaf and score it. Hi guys, we're back and look at our bread. We're gonna put this on it. Yes we are, it's butter. It's butter and it's gonna be so yummy. Too hot, Mama. It's too hot. This is how you make beautiful bread. Thank you for watching. Bye. Sorry. And I broke that bed.